Have you ever tried to say my friends or their houses in Albanian and suddenly felt like Albanian grammar is just so difficult? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're diving deep into Albanian possessive pronouns, including singular and plural forms with lots of clear, real-life sentences. By the end of this video, you'll confidently say things like Libri im është interesant, or Shtëpit e tyre janë të reja, and so much more. So grab a coffee and let's make Albanian possession simple and fun. But first, what are possessive pronouns in Albanian? Possessive pronouns show ownership, who something belongs to. In English, for example, you have my book, or your house, or their cars. In Albanian, possession works a little differently. Albanian possessive pronouns agree with the noun being owned, not with the person who owns it, meaning it will have the same gender and the same number with the noun being owned. So yes, you can say that the object is boss here. For example, we have libri im, my book. Im instead of ime, because here it's masculine. Why? Because the book is masculine. It doesn't matter if the person who owns the book is masculine or feminine, but the book itself, the possessed noun. Librat emi, likewise, emi, my books, agrees with the noun that is being possessed, which is librat, the books. The books, plural, emi, plural. The books, masculine, emi, masculine. So that's what we're gonna get into. So let's start with singular possessive pronouns. Here you have a table displaying all the singular possessive pronouns. For my, we have im or ime, masculine or feminine. For your, singular, we have ut or jote. For his, we have it or eti, depending on the gender of the possessed noun. For her, isai, esai. For our, un or yon. For your, plural, ui, and ui again. And for their, iture or eture. I suggest you add this table to your notes, and don't worry, I know it sounds like a lot, but we'll look at each of them in examples. So let's get right into that. So for example, with my, in the masculine, we have Libri im është shumë interesant. My book is very interesting. Libri im është shumë interesant. It is im in the masculine, singular. But in the feminine, singular, we have Shtëpia ime është afër qendrës. My house is near the center. Shtëpia ime është afër qendrës. Shtëpia here is feminine singular, so we'll have ime. For your, singular, likewise, we have Shoku yt po të pret jashtë. Your friend is waiting for you outside. Shoku yt po të pret jashtë. Yt, masculine singular. Feminine singular, we have jote. Motra jote studion mjeksi. Your sister studies medicine. Motra jote studion mjeksi. Moving on, for his, we have Telefoni I tij është I ri. His phone is new. Telefoni I tij është I ri. When the possessed noun is feminine, we have Makina e tij është shumë e shpejt. His car is very fast. Makina e tij është shumë e shpejt. For hers, we have Qeni I saj është shumë I lezetshëm. Her dog is very cute. Qeni I saj është shumë I lezetshëm. Qeni, masculine singular, so I saj, masculine singular. Çanta e saj është mbi tavolinë. Her bag is on the table. Çanta e saj është mbi tavolinë. esai, feminine, because çanta is feminine. For our, we have fshati ynë është shumë I bukur. Our village is very beautiful. Fshati ynë është shumë I bukur. So ynë is our in the masculine because fshati is in the masculine. Shkolla jon ka shumë nxënës. Our school has many students. Shkolla jon ka shumë nxënës. Jon is feminine because shkolla is feminine. For your, plural, projekti juaj është gati. Your project is ready. Projekti juaj është gati. And for the feminine, shtëpia juaj ka një kopsht të madh. Your house has a big garden. Shtëpia juaj ka një kopsht të madh. So as you see, for your in the plural, projekti masculine, shtëpia feminine, juaj remains the same in both genders. And for their, we have in the masculine, libri I tyre është në bibliotek. Their book is in the library. Libri I tyre është në bibliotek. And for feminine, such as makina, makina e tyre është parkuar jashtë. Their car is parked outside. Makina e tyre është parkuar jashtë. And now we move to plural possessive pronouns. Here is our table. We have for my, e mi in the masculine or e mia when the possessed noun is feminine. For yours, we have e tu, e tua. For his, e ti, the same. For her, esai, esai. For our, tan or tona in the feminine. For your, tuai, tuaja. And for their, eture, eture remains the same. So let's look at each of them in examples. For my, we have librat e mi janë në çantë. My books are in the bag. Librat e mi janë në çantë. Shtëpit e mia janë shumë të vjetra. My houses are very old. Shtëpit e mia janë shumë të vjetra. E mi, masculine, because librat is masculine, and e mia, feminine, because shtëpit is feminine. For your, likewise, we have shokët e tu po vinë sonte. Your friends are coming tonight. Shokët e tu po vinë sonte. For feminine, we have vajzat e tua janë në shkollë. Your girls are at school. Vajzat e tua janë në shkollë. For his and her, we have qentë e tij janë shumë lozonjar. His dogs are very playful. Qentë e tij janë shumë lozonjar. Makinat e tij janë të shtrenjta. His cars are expensive. Makinat e tij janë të shtrenjta. So whether the possessed noun is masculine or feminine, it will remain the same e tij for his. And likewise, the same will happen with her, esai. Librat e saj janë në raft. Her books are on the shelf. Librat e saj janë në raft. Çantat e saj janë të reja. Her bags are new. Çantat e saj janë të reja. For our, nxënësit tan janë të zellshëm. Our students are diligent. Nxënësit tan janë të zellshëm. So tan is in the masculine. In the feminine, we have idet tona janë interesante. Our ideas are interesting. Idet tona janë interesante. For your in the plural, likewise we have tuaj for masculine and tuaja for feminine. Filxhanët tuaj janë shumë të bukur. Your mugs are very beautiful. Filxhanët tuaj janë shumë të bukur. Shtëpit tuaja janë afër njëra tjetrës. Your houses are close to each other. Shtëpit tuaja janë afër njëra tjetrës. And for there, in the masculine and in the feminine, it will remain the same. E tyre. Librat e tyre janë shitur. Their books have been sold. Librat e tyre janë shitur. Shtëpit e tyre janë ndërtuar kohët e fundit. Their houses were recently built. Shtëpit e tyre janë ndërtuar kohët e fundit. Now we're going to take a look at possessive pronouns when they are used alone, and we'll start with the singular. So in English, for this we'll have mine, and in Albanian, imi in the masculine or imja in the feminine. For yours, yti, jotja. For his, iti, etia. For hers, isai, esaja. For ours, yni, jona. For yours, juaj, juaja. And for theirs, ityri, etyria. So let's look at each of them in examples. For mine, libri interesant është imi. The interesting book is mine. Libri interesant është imi. Shtëpia afër qendrës është imja. The house near the center is mine. Shtëpia afër qendrës është imja. For yours, ky libër është yti. This book is yours. Ky libër, sorry for the typo there, it should be L-I-B-E-R. Ky libër është yti. For feminine, ajo fletore është jotja. That notebook is yours. Ajo fletore është jotja. For his and her, ky telefon është I tij. This phone is his. Ky telefon është I tij in the masculine because telefon is in the masculine. Kjo makinë është e tija. This car is his. Kjo makinë është e tija. E tija feminine because makinë is feminine. For hers, ai qen është I saj. That dog is hers. Ai qen është I saj. For feminine, ajo çantë është e saja. That bag is hers. Ajo çantë është e saja. E saja feminine because çantë is feminine. For ours and yours in the plural, ky fshat është yni. This village is ours. Ky fshat është yni. Kjo shkollë, feminine, është jona. This school is ours. Kjo shkollë është jona. Ky projekt është juaj. This project is yours. Ky projekt është juaj. Projekt masculine, juaj masculine. Ajo shtëpi është juaja. That house is yours. Ajo shtëpi është juaja. And in theirs, ai libër është I tyri. That book is theirs. Ai libër është I tyri. And in the feminine, ajo makinë është e tyrja. That car is theirs. Ajo makinë është e tyrja. Very well, and now lastly we'll look at possessive pronouns used alone when the possessed noun is plural. So for mine, here we'll have të meet in the masculine or të miat in the feminine. For yours, të tut, të tuat. For his, të tit, të tijat. For hers, të sajt, të sajat. For ours, tanët, tonat. For yours, tuajt, tuajat. And for theirs, të tyret in the same form. So let's look at these examples as well. For mine, we have këta libra janë të mit. These books are mine. Këta libra janë të mit. Këto fletore janë të miat in the feminine. These notebooks are mine. Këto fletore janë të miat. For yours in the singular, shokët që po vinë janë të tut. The friends that are coming are yours. Shokët që po vinë janë të tut. Shokët, masculine plural, të tut, masculine plural. Ato detyra janë të tuat. Those tasks are yours. Ato detyra janë të tuat. Detyra, feminine plural, të tuat likewise, feminine plural. Let's look at his and hers. Ata laptop janë të tit. Those laptops are his. Ata laptop janë të tit. Ato makina, in the feminine, janë të tijat. Those cars are his. Ato makina janë të tijat. For hers, libra are in the masculine and chanta in the feminine. So we'll have ata libra janë të sajt. Those books are hers. Ata libra janë të sajt. Ato chanta janë të sajat. Those bags are hers. Ato chanta janë të sajat. For ours and yours in the plural, këta nxënës janë tanët. These students are ours. Këta nxënës janë tanët. And in the feminine, këto ide janë tonat. These ideas are ours. Këto ide janë tonat. So nxënës, masculine plural, will have tanët, masculine plural. Ide, feminine plural, so we'll have tonat, feminine plural. For yours, likewise, ata filxhan janë tuajt. Those mugs are yours. Ata filxhan janë tuajt. Ato klasa, in the feminine, janë tuajat. Those classes are yours. Ato klasa janë tuajat. And for theirs, in the masculine, këta libra janë të tyret. These books are theirs. Këta libra janë të tyret. And the same goes for the feminine. Këto shtëpi janë të tyret. These houses are theirs. Këto shtëpi janë të tyret. So that is by no means every single thing that there is about possessive pronouns, because we haven't treated them in the other cases. We've only treated them basically in the nominative case. But this is all you need to know for now in order to make a really great progress in Albanian. This puts you to intermediate or even upper intermediate level. So I really hope this video helps, and please hit the like button and subscribe for more Albanian language lessons. If you want, you can write a sentence using a possessive pronoun in the comments and I'll happily check it for you. And if you're serious about becoming fluent in Albanian in a shorter time with a personal tutor, please send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. I'll see you in our next video.